This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Remove the cap from the brake fluid reservoir and remove about 2/3 of the brake fluid. This is to prevent the brake fluid in the reservoir from overflowing when the brake caliper piston is pushed into its bore to make room for the new pads. Properly discard the fluid removed, as new fluid of the correct type must be used when refilling the reservoir. Jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Position a drain pan under the brake assembly and clean the caliper and surrounding area with brake system cleaner. Position a large C-clamp over the caliper and squeeze the piston back into its bore to provide room for the new brake pads. As the piston is depressed to the bottom of its caliper bore, the fluid in the master cylinder will rise. Make sure it doesn't overflow. Remove the 2 upper and lower caliper mounting bolts. Pull the caliper and pads off the mounting bracket, then hang it with a piece of wire. Don't allow the caliper to hang by the brake hose. Remove the inner brake pad from the caliper piston. Remove the outer brake pad from the caliper, carefully prying it out with a screwdriver if needed. Pull the 2 caliper guide pins out of the sleeves and clean them. Then lubricate them with high-temperature brake grease. Replace any that are damaged. Install the guide pins back into the mounting bracket in the correct direction. Apply anti-squeal compound to the backing plates of the new pads. Install the new inner and outer pads to the caliper in the correct direction. Install the caliper and pads onto the mounting bracket. Tighten the caliper guide pins to the specified torque setting. Pump the brakes several times to seat the pads against the disc. Repeat this procedure on the remaining front brake pads. Install the front wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Check the brake fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir and add new brake fluid if necessary, until the new fluid reaches the maximum mark in the reservoir. Check the operation of the brakes before driving the vehicle in traffic.